My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Tami, wey be say be sisters, don fight for a man wey be say they call Topher for inside the Big Brother house. And also, fans don come out to come call out Victoria and Sean after their diary section today. And lastly, fans don do an online voting for all social media platforms, and the housemate wey come last position for all that voting so far go shock una. So Topher na a pair to Surge. They call themselves aces. For those of now wey no remember who this were be, the guy na the person wey be say talk say he girlfriend leave am, say the reason why he enter inside Big Brother, say the girlfriend like Big Brother always, say he just enter to pepper the girl. He dey happy say the girl go watch am for television. So now this guy, now the two sisters wey be say they call Tami and Toyosi, they fight over. See good thing what's special about this boy, me I no see am. It can't be as if all the girls they love the guy. Like, I don't understand what he is so special. Is it because he's tall or because he's fair? Because Onyeka and Victoria, they don't they chingom the boy since. And Victoria, what be her name? Onyeka don't talk how many times say she like Topher. See Topher na her type of man. The fight between this Tami and her sister be friend. Is it sister if I be friend? I think it's friend. Now checkers now be sisters. Okay, Tami and Toyosi na friends, they not be sisters. Tami don go dey take therapy sections with TJ na the better pair, so that she go fit dey sleep well at night because of man o, because of Topher. Na make you see say she dey go take therapy. That two of them quarrel finish, there's even quarrel sef. Topher no even send the two of them they come tire, they come settle their differences eventually. Friendship of over 10 years now, una wan allow one man wey be say una just meet because he fine for una eye, una wan scatter una friendship just like that because of man. And wetin I don notice, I think Damilola get anger issues because she don first react for kitchen concerning food matter. Now na man na she dey fight for. So I believe say the main problem na Dami, not even the Toyosi. And the most disappointing thing be say the TJ wey be say be the therapy doctor wey dey inside the house, wey be say Dami dey go tell all these things, the guy no sabi keep secret. Imagine when you go meet a therapist, you tell the therapist say you tell am your problem, your innermost secret, he can't carry am go dey tell people. Now the type of person where TJ be, he's not a professional. Maybe now because he dey inside the Big Brother house, and for them to trust him enough to tell him is their secrets, they see him as a doctor and he's supposed to keep the thing confidential. Anyways, what I think about the Tami pair? Was the fight necessary? Or Topher look like person where we say two grown women, where we say don't get friendship over 10 years, supposed fight for? Make una tell me on our answers for the comment section. Onto the Shatoria ship, they do their diary section few hours ago, and the two of them, if according to fans also say their reactions they very off. For other people maybe don't come into the diary session to come talk about their experiences so far, we they see certain kind of chemistry, they always they happy, they together playful. But these two just be like say they the mourn person. Sean was absent-minded. Victoria on the other hand, she looked like person where they depressed. We don't know what they go on with these two people. So their fans can't come out to come tell their matter for internet space. We can listen to it they talk for herself.
Which she is not comfortable with. I think that's what is happening. And she doesn't sound intelligent at all. I don't know. I'm not impressed at all. No. I'm disappointed. Oh, no.
But please don't say that. How can you say that he's not behaving intelligent? Like how?
No, she doesn't sound intelligent.
I just to raise your hand if you want to counter.
No, she doesn't sound intelligent now. From the questions Big Brother was asking, does she?
Don't say that. No, but he just wake up.
She just woke up.
He just wake up. Yeah, he just wake up.
That's not an excuse. For me, I don't know.
No, it's an excuse.
It's an excuse that she just woke up.
Like, to be active in the diary room.
I don't know about that. Probably, I like her initially, but for me, I don't think I want to work with her though.
No, but you people like to judge people.
Don't tell me I'm being judgy. This is what I saw. Why are you saying
but
that?
It's not nice. That's why I'm telling you, it's not nice.
Why is it not nice? That's my opinion. Excuse me.
No, your opinion is
wrong. It is not wrong. To you, it is wrong. To me, it is not.
Wrong.
Excuse me. I don't say that. I like Victoria, but from what I'm getting, the vibe I'm getting from, I don't like it.
Oh, because you like Victoria.
I don't like the vibe I'm getting.
I will not agree.
You will not agree. You should be there. No, don't agree. Be there. She's not impressive to me. She's not impressing me.
Okay.
Because when she came in, I liked her. Of all the babes, I liked Victoria. But what I got from her this evening, the vibe I'm getting, I'm not liking it at all. No way.
Okay, sorry.
So what's your own
Sorry.
with Sean?
Hey, I was thinking that I want to bash
No,
my
I
boy.
like Sean. I like Sean. But what I'm saying is that Victoria is pained because Sean is getting too close to everybody and not her. Yes.
So let's just vote for them. So Big Brother will find something to do.
I don't
Let's
know.
just vote for them.
I'm voting for her, but
So today fans come out to come do voting for different social media platforms, and they talk about Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat and all of that, TikTok. And the housemates wey be say top all the charts of all the voting wey be say they do na Wanni and Handy. As we all know, Wanni na person wey be say dey ship herself with Sean so far, and that particular ship dey actually work for her and Sean. The second pair wey be say top the voting chart na Shatoria. The third people na Shekers na be the sisters Chizoba and Onyeka. Na the character Onyeka, we all know say Onyeka don dey move like snail, and she dey go tell different people different things for inside there, dey instigate different people against each other. Then the next people wey be say top the chart na Double K. Double K na the married couple Kelly and Cassia. And the next people for the voting chart na Aces. Aces comprises of Surge and Topher. And the next people na the virgins wey be say call themselves the radicals. I talk about Femi, David and Milky. Two of them, they say they be friends, they dey do gym together and all of that. Then the next people wey be say for the voting chart na Mbadiwe twins. Those ones na ordinary 5% na they get. Then the bottom barrels for the voting for all the social media platforms so far from day one till today na Nelita pair na carry last position for all the voting charts wey be say they do so far, which means they have not been active enough to gather fans. And me, I dey even fit talk say Nelly get fans well, not knowing say Nelly not get anything. Anita on the other hand, Anita is not serving us any content, which means if Nelita fans not sit up this week, na Nelita then go house on Sunday. As a matter of fact, if we really want dey realistic with ourselves, none of these housemates even dey worth it. Today makes it 3 days, we never see any action from them. Nothing. It has been boring. They don't even wear good clothes. Everybody's just dressing like Chris person. Everybody's looking unkept. They're not even look at All Stars now. You not see the way All Stars people dress. You not see Level Up housemates. Look at how neat they wear, the way that they dress, their wig and everything. These housemates, they're not giving us anything. No content, nothing. Person not get anything to talk about them. And we all subscribe DSTV, subscribe GoTV, subscribe Showmax. Na money be all of that. Would they believe to say as we subscribe all those things, we suppose watch wetin we subscribe for? But no, people that you know never learn a lesson. We go carry people will not understand where they come from. People inside there more they watch boring things. Anyways, if you want vote for your fave and you don't know how to vote for, and tell me for the comment section, I go just write them out how to vote for your favorite housemate. Una take care, una bye.